Hi, my name is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty. Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts regarding the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, so stay tuned. So I wanted to talk a little bit today about the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. So I've had this product for a little bit now. And a little bit of a fun fact, I've mentioned this on a previous video, but I actually did work for NARS at an industry trade show a few years back. And that was when I discovered what a cult following that brand has. And so at that particular time, I was kind of into some other brands, you know, in terms of me personally, and then also for my kid professionally. And that was when I really got hipped into, you know, all that NARS has going on and started testing and working out and looking through their products. So one of the products that I grew to really like from the NARS brand is their tinted moisturizer. And it does come in a wide range of shades. But the nice thing about a tinted moisturizer is they're sheer. So when you take it out, when you look at it, it might not look like it's gonna be like the perfect match. Like you might be like, whoa, I don't know. But you really have to put it on your skin and then take pictures and kind of see what it looks like. So let me show you, and this shade that I use is, and I have it on right now, is Martinique, which NARS considers this to be a medium dark 3. So usually with this brand, I fall into the medium dark 3 category. Let's see. So I'll squirt it out and put a little bit of it on your hand so you can see what it kind of looks like out of the bottle. One of the nice things about this tinted moisturizer is I use it a lot of times, especially in the winter. Living up north, you know, or in the Midwest in Chicago, it can be, our winters can be absolutely brutal. And so I've had a lot of times, you know, where I've been downtown on my way to work, and you know, if you're walking across an expressway overpass and you're walking across and there's a bridge that's suspended in air, and that's literally like being in a wind tunnel, and imagining it being 10 degrees or wind chill below 0, and imagining your face just having to kind of be confronted with that. It's just very difficult. So I use specific moisturizing products, and then I tend to in the winter time make sure I have extra protection on my face, and I do like using the tinted moisturizer because it really does provide like an extra layer of protection, which is how I really see it actually. My purposes in the wintertime is a layer of protection on my face to help kind of shield my skin from the harsh winter outside. I like this product because, you know, it's kind of within my makeup philosophy, which, you know, if you've paid attention to my work and watched me on social media for a while, you'll know that I tend to gravitate towards, you know, natural looking makeup that just kind of naturally enhances what someone already has going on. So I remember the first time I tried this tinted moisturizer, you could not tell me anything about how my skin looked. I was so excited because the way it made my skin look, or the way it makes my skin look, is doesn't have a foundation-y look. It's not foundation-y, but it just really provides like this very soft glow to the skin and just slightly enhances it. It helps it look you know, moisturized. I would say even kind of like slightly dewy, but it helps the skin just look very beautiful. And you know what's funny too, it has a sunscreen in it, and you know, sometimes with complexion products that have sunscreen, sometimes that'll make it, when you you know, take a picture, especially with flash photography, it may not look the best. But I don't have that issue with this tinted moisturizer. When I do take pictures with flash photography with this tinted moisturizer on, in terms of like the realistic look of my skin, it still looks really nice. So it photographs wonderfully. It's just a great tinted moisturizer. You may want to check it out if you don't have one. you know, that you're using right now, you may want to check this one out. So yeah, so those are some of my top things. It really helps my skin to feel better. It gives it kind of like this sheer, natural, radiant glow. It doesn't look, you know, makeup-y. It just looks like really, really great skin. You know, somebody, you know, obviously be able to tell you have a little bit of something on, but it's not like, you know, you're walking around with, you know, like this full face of foundation, like you're going, you know, to some sort of a very special affair. I know for me, when I do wear my makeup on a daily basis, I prefer to keep it a bit minimalistic. And for me, this product really fits in that minimalistic category, where to actually be putting a complexion product all over your face for the look that it does give. It, for me, it just it's a nice, you know, glow, like a nice soft look and feel. So I think you would definitely like this. So you definitely want to check this one out and pick it up. Take care. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also sign up for my mailing list so that you can hear about what exciting things I have coming up. Take care. Bye.